Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So in front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use these two brushes. But if you haven't cleaning tool you can use toothbrush and ear sticks. And also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. And now I'm going to apply it at the charging contacts at the earbuds. So at the bottom we have charging contacts. Then for the right one. Now let's clean it with a brush. Now let's move to the right one. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol to the charging contacts at the charging case, and right here we have it. And I'm going to use this type of brush, but as I said, you can use also ear sticks. Now the right one. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tips. And right here we have the grill, so slightly clean it. Here we go. Now let's apply ear tip. And now I can put it to the charging case. But we need to clean it for the right earbud also. Now let's apply ear tip. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!